Welcome to our tutorial about paper size. I'm picking up where I left off in my previous tutorial. The dashed black line around the edge represents the printable area of our layout. So far, we've been working with letter size paper that's 8.5 by 11 inches. However, what if we want to work with a different size of paper? How can AutoCAD accommodate this? Let's right-click on Layout 2 and scroll up and select Page Setup Manager. Now let's click Modify. For our printer, we have Adobe PDF selected. Paper size, let's choose 11 by 17 inches. And let's click OK. And close. Notice our printable area is now changed. It's larger. Of course, we don't have to select a printer in order to select the paper size. For example, if I select None here, let's go to Modify and select No Printer, None. I'm still able to modify the paper size. Let's say 22 by 17 inches. This would be useful if, for example, you needed to email your file to someone who has the ability to print on paper of this size. Let's go back to Page Setup Manager. And of course, with this paper size selected, 22 by 17, if I try to use my Color LaserJet 1600 printer, I'm going to have some problems. AutoCAD lets me know about it. This size of paper doesn't fit in my printer. Let's click OK to get out of the warning window. And let's close this dialog window. Just cancel out. This concludes our tutorial about choosing a paper size.